Unraveling, Inquire Into, Mastering English Phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the depths of the English language to uncover the meaning and use of the phrase, inquire into. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases is key to mastering English. So, let's get started. Inquire into is a phrase that means to investigate or look into something in a detailed and thorough manner. It's about seeking information by asking questions or conducting research. This phrase often appears in formal contexts such as academic research, official investigations, or when you're getting to the bottom of a complex topic. Inquire itself means to ask for information. When we add into to inquire, we're talking about directing those questions towards a specific subject or area. Think of it as metaphorically stepping into a room filled with facts, insights, and details about the topic you're interested in. To fully grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. The committee will inquire into the events leading up to the incident. Journalists often inquire into issues that are of public interest. Scholars may inquire into ancient texts to gain a better understanding of history. A common mistake learners make is confusing inquire into with inquire about. The former is used for deep investigation, while the latter can be used for casual questioning. For instance, you inquire about your friend's health, but you inquire into a scientific phenomenon. Inquisitive minds, that's a wrap on inquire into. Remember, it's a phrase that conveys depth and thoroughness in your quest for knowledge. Use it when you're embarking on a journey of discovery. Happy learning, and see you in the next video where we'll explore more English phrases and their uses.